Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Ever feel like your brain is a browser with 20 tabs open, all playing different catchy jingles at the same time? We've all been there. Today, we're talking about a surprisingly simple yet powerful tool to quiet the noise and boost your well-being: journaling. Now, before we dive in, remember I'm your friendly neighborhood doctor, not doctor. This video is for informational purposes only. If you're facing health challenges, reach out to a healthcare professional. Don't have one? No worries. Check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth at www.myhomedoc.care for convenient and affordable online care. But back to journaling. Think of it as a mental declutter session for your thoughts and feelings. It's like hitting save on your worries and anxieties, freeing up space in your mind for more awesome stuff. So grab your favorite notebook and pen, or open a fresh document on your laptop. Whatever helps you get those thoughts flowing. Let's unlock the power of journaling together. Ready to feel like the superhero of your own life? Journaling can help you tap into those superpowers. First up, stress. We all have it, but journaling can help you manage it like a pro. Imagine writing down all your worries, fears, and frustrations. Getting them out of your head and onto paper is like handing them over to a trusted friend. Next, let's tackle anxiety. That feeling of unease and worry can really throw you off balance. But with journaling, you can track your anxiety triggers, identify patterns, and develop coping mechanisms. It's like having a personal anxiety detective on your side. And who doesn't want a mood boost? Journaling can help you cultivate more positive emotions by focusing on gratitude and reflecting on happy memories. Think of it as a highlight reel of all the good stuff in your life. Surprise! Journaling isn't just good for your mind, it benefits your body too. Struggling with sleep? Try journaling before bed. Writing down your thoughts and to-dos can help calm your mind, like switching off the lights in your brain for a more restful sleep. Believe it or not, journaling can even boost your immune system. Studies show that expressive writing can improve immune function, helping you fight off those pesky colds and viruses. It's like giving your immune cells a pep talk. And if you're looking to lower your blood pressure, journaling might just be the answer. Writing about stressful experiences can help you process them in a healthy way, reducing the physical effects of stress on your body. Talk about a win-win! Now that you know the amazing benefits, let's get you started. First things first, there's no right or wrong way to journal. Find what works for you. Gratitude journaling, bullet journaling, expressive writing. It's like a buffet of journaling styles. Experiment and see what you enjoy most. Find a quiet space where you can relax and let your thoughts flow freely. Maybe it's a cozy corner in your home, a park bench under your favorite tree, or even your bathtub. No judgment here. The important thing is to create a space where you feel comfortable and inspired. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Start small, even if it's just 5 minutes a day. The key is consistency. Think of it like brushing your teeth for your mental health. And remember, this is your journal, so feel free to write about anything and everything that comes to mind. No need to impress anyone, not even yourself. So there you have it. Journaling, your secret weapon to a happier, healthier you. Give it a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to live your best life. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those journals flowing.